Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, daytime running lights, front wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.